Hello, fellow fun spotters. Happy September. Listen fast because we have a ton of updates for you this week. Wait, this is a video? We're starting? Okay. Well, since I'm here at the Freedom Flyer, I have some news for you guys. This weekend is your very last opportunity to experience the virtual reality coaster on Freedom Flyer Coaster at Fun Spot Orlando. So hurry up, come out. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, last days to experience it. We already went over this in last week's video, so check it out if you have questions. But remember, Athletes and Animals is coming up, St. Jude 5K is coming up, and National Night Out is coming up. Also, remember there are updated hours after Labor Day, including the fact that Fun Spot America is closed at both locations September the 12th in honor of our annual employee summer party. Backed by popular demand is Paint Night at Fun Spot Orlando starting September the 23rd. This is now a family-friendly event, so bring your kids. We're saying about 6 years old is the cutoff. We're gonna be doing Fun Spot themed paintings, and we're gonna start at 2 p.m. so that you can still get the kids in bed for bedtime. OasHobby is hosting this drone race, and they are calling it the sport of the future, and they swear that anybody can do it. I don't know, we'll have to see. They also wanted to stress that just like anything, education leads to safety, and safety is how you make it an actual fun event. So come on out, this is open to the public, 26th and 27th. They are gonna have prizes for not only first, second, and third, but all the way through 10th place. This is going to be a fun event on the Thrasher track and the Conquest track. It was really cool. They were practicing this morning, all kinds of obstacles they fly around. It's along the course. Like I said, I'm excited to see how they do it. New deal alert. Okay, if you have a student or if you know a student in the Orange or Osceola public school system, these should be coming home any day now to your student. Now, this is an amazing deal because not only do you get a free armband when you purchase another armband, but every single armband that is purchased using these cards, $2 goes directly back into your kid's school. So make sure you not only grab this, don't lose it, but also use it. You have an entire school year to use it. So we'll see you guys here. Thanks for watching, but remember, for your all-time everyday best deal, always go to www.fun-spot.com. We'll see you next week.